If you've been kicked out of your home, don't panic. There is help available and you're not alone. Follow these tips to get help and find somewhere safe to stay. Contact friends and people you trust to see if they can put you up for the night and give you a hot meal. Don't be afraid to ask them for help. Even if you are sofa surfing, you are still classed as homeless and entitled to help from the council. Contact your local council's homelessness department as soon as possible. The council should give you advice and help, and they might have to provide you with an emergency place to stay. This could be a hostel, a refuge, or a bed and breakfast. The emergency housing should be suitable for you and your household. Find details of your nearest night shelter, hostel or day centre. They might be able to provide you with a bed for a night, somewhere warm to stay in the day and put you in touch with a food bank. If you are under 18, have been in care or have a disability, contact social services at your local council. They should support you and find somewhere safe for you to stay. If you have become homeless because of abuse, threats or violence, it's important you get urgent help. Call 999 if you're in danger and ring the free 24-hour Live Fear Free confidential helpline on 08 08 80 10 800. If you haven't got any money, find your nearest job centre and you can apply for benefits. You might be able to get some emergency money for essential items. If you are still worried and you need help, call Shelter Cymru free on 08000 495 495 and speak to an expert housing advisor. It's never too late or too early to get help.